How to wake up with Spotify music. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Spotify music to wake up or set up alarm. To do this, firstly go to shortcuts on your iPhone. In shortcuts, you will need to add a new shortcut. To add a new shortcut, click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now at the bottom you will see a menu like this. From this menu you can search for actions and add it. Right now we're gonna add music, so select the option play music. If you want to select a music from your library, click on music. After that your library will pop up. We are going to use Spotify, so we're gonna search another action. Select the action open app. Once you have done that, click on app. Now here you will be able to see all the apps that are installed on your device. Select the Spotify app. Once selected, again go to search action. Now search for wait and add it. This represents the amount of seconds after which the song will play. The alarm will play first, and after a certain seconds the song will play. Now go to your clock app and set up your alarm. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.